Are you dreaming of a bathroom makeover that goes beyond the ordinary? Imagine stepping into a space that's more than just functional, a luxurious retreat right in your own home where every detail has been crafted to reflect your personal style and taste. Why settle for a basic bathroom when you can have something exceptional? Have you ever walked into a high-end spa and wished you could bring that same feeling into your home? What if your bathroom could be that space? A sanctuary where you start and end your day feeling relaxed, rejuvenated, and pampered. At TMT Central, we specialise in transforming ordinary bathrooms into stunning spaces tailored just for you. But it's not just about the look, it's about creating a space that elevates your everyday life. How do you think it would feel to walk into a bathroom designed to meet your every need, with the quality and craftsmanship that only comes from working with experts? What makes us different? It's our approach, focused entirely on you. We start with your vision. Do you have ideas about what your dream bathroom should look like? We'll sit down with you, listen to your desires, and help you bring that vision to life. Our custom designs are more than just beautiful. They're a reflection of you, your tastes, and your lifestyle. We know that quality matters, which is why we use only the finest materials and finishes. From premium tiles to state-of-the-art fixtures, every element is chosen to ensure your bathroom isn't just aesthetically pleasing, but built to last. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to invest in a bathroom that not only enhances your home's value, but also stands the test of time? And what about the renovation process? We understand that it can feel overwhelming, but with TMT Central, it doesn't have to be. Our experienced team takes care of everything, from the initial design to the final touches, so you can focus on enjoying the transformation. How much easier would it be to trust that your project is in capable hands, knowing that every detail is being managed with care and precision? Imagine this. Every morning you step into a bathroom that feels like a 5-star spa. Every evening you unwind in a space that's not just functional, but luxurious. How would having a bathroom like this change the way you experience your home? What if that dream bathroom was just a few steps away? If you're ready to turn your bathroom into a luxurious space that reflects your unique style and enhances your daily life, we're here to make it happen. Let's chat about your ideas and explore how we can bring them to life. Why wait any longer when your dream bathroom is just a conversation away? Contact us today and let's start planning the bathroom you've always wanted. Because you deserve a space that not only meets your needs, but makes you feel pampered every day.